Okay, today we're doing an unboxing of the Yaesu FT-991A. It is an all-band, all-mode transceiver made by Yaesu, one of their top-end rigs right now. I have my assistant Indy with me right over here. She's going to be helping me with the unboxing. And just got this from HRO. It came the next day, really fast shipping. They were doing $200 off, free shipping, and no tax. So I'm going to be doing this one-handed, so we'll just take our time and start opening up the box. Alrighty, so looks like we've got unpacking procedure. Front flap, we already did that. Now we do the sides and the front and lift the radio out. And then it has a little diagram here of what to expect. So it looks like there's some foam on the top, then two pieces that are surrounding the radio, and then it has a few extra boxes on the side with the accessories. So let's see. Open this. Alrighty, so what do we have on top? Alrighty, we have the manual, big manual. I started to take a look at it before the radio came. I think it's 160 something pages long. So we have some information about the radio. We have a warranty card. I think it has a 3-year warranty, which is really great because I guess the 991, the predecessor, had some issues with the finals, so they're throwing in a warranty on the 991 Alpha revision to gain probably some more faith with people who are going to buy this. And it looks like we got a map with all the, looks like the prefixes for call signs around the world. So we'll set this aside for now, and we will go over to here. So it looks like we've got our power cable. It has some long leads on it, and one of those, I think it's called a Molex connector on it. So my first order of business is going to be soldering on some of those Anderson power pole connectors, because that's what my entire station is set up on right now. So we'll put that over here with the manual. Alrighty, and right here we've got, looks like their standard microphone, the dynamic microphone. I think it's the same one that comes with a lot of the other Yaesus. I have the FT-817, which, I don't know, we've had it for a very long time. It's not the 817ND, it's the original one. I think it has the same microphone, so they haven't really changed their microphone much. There's mixed reviews on it. Some people modify them, but I don't do a whole lot of voice or phone communication, so this is probably fine for me. They have a DTMF mic and one of those really nice studio mics and stuff like that, so we'll put that aside. And then here is the radio. So I'm definitely going to want to have two hands for this, so I'm going to have to set the camera down for a second. Okay, so I lifted the radio up and out, and we've got some heavy-duty foam here. It's not styrofoam, some kind of plastic foam. So I'm just going to remove that. First impression, the radio is a lot smaller than you'd think for what it is. And here it is. Whoa, pretty heavy. It was a 14-pound box, mostly the radio, I'm sure. So it looks like a beautiful radio. Let's turn it over and see if we can get some of the plastic off. And unwrap it here. We've got a carrying handle on the side. This is a field radio. A lot of people use this for contesting. There's so many things in the menu. I just started to go through the manual yesterday, and it's going to take a long time to dial this thing in, but it's going to be fun, customizing it and making it mine, and very much looking forward to it. So that's the unboxing here of the FT-991A. We have our little stand on the bottom, and I'm going to start getting it set up here and making some room on the desk. Thank you.